In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect XTB to TradingView. If you're trying to bring the extensive analytical features of TradingView together with your XTB trading account, you might have encountered some challenges. As of now, XTB does not offer official integration with TradingView. This means you cannot directly link your XTB account to execute trades straight from TradingView's charts. However, don't worry, there is a practical workaround that will allow you to benefit from TradingView's powerful analytical tools while still managing your trades on XTB. Let's dive into what you can do instead. The first option is to use TradingView purely for analysis. This is a straightforward approach, focusing on utilizing TradingView's advanced charting and analytical capabilities without attempting to directly integrate it with XTB. Start by opening TradingView on your browser or app. Once you're in, you can begin your technical analysis. Here's where you can leverage TradingView's rich features, explore various charts, dive deep into indicators, or test out different trading strategies. Analyzing charts on TradingView can provide you with comprehensive insights, allowing you to assess market movements and predict trends effectively. Once you've completed your analysis and decided on your trading strategy, you can move on to the next step. Now open your XTB XStation platform. Having both platforms accessible allows you to execute your trading strategy effectively. With your TradingView analysis at your fingertips, you'll manually place the trade in XTB. This step is all about transitioning your insights from TradingView into actionable trades on XTB. This workaround might seem a bit manual, as it requires you to switch between two different platforms, but it's currently the best way to harness the best of both worlds. By using TradingView's analytical power and XTB's trading capabilities, you can make well-informed trading decisions. This process ensures that you are not missing out on the precision and detail that TradingView's tools offer. Remember, this method relies on your ability to accurately transfer information between platforms. I recommend always double-checking your trades to avoid any errors. As this is the most common workaround, many traders have optimized their workflow around this method, ensuring they remain efficient. Despite the extra step, many find the enhanced market understanding they gain from TradingView to be well worth it. And there you have it. Although XTB doesn't currently support direct integration with TradingView, this guide helps you work around the limitation and still take full advantage of both platforms. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.